How do you make slime?
I don't know. I don't know.
Hello everyone! Welcome back to Miss Ming's channel. This is
Miss Ming.
This is
BJ Wong.
In my channel, I do vlog videos, makeup videos, lifestyle videos, and today we're gonna challenge the slime videos. Are you ready, BJ Wong?
Yes.
Okay, how do you make slime?
I don't know.
How do you make slime?
I don't know. I don't know. You didn't tell me.
So we already got ingredients from Michael's in the Dollar Tree. So now let's get started. All right, let's look at the ingredients. The first essential ingredient that you need is warm water. Any water will do, but it is recommended that you use water at the room temperature or a little bit higher at the room temperature. The second essential ingredient is glue. You can use clear glue or you can use colored glue such as blue, yellow, or green. In the Michaels, you can also find other colors of glue that's really, really pretty. The third essential ingredient is magical liquid. Well, this is really a substitution of the baking soda and contact solutions. If you feel insecure about making slime, for the first time, you can definitely get this one from Michaels. It is a little bit pricier than if you use baking soda and contact solution. To decorate our slime, you can use food coloring and a lot of glitters. You can definitely find all of the essential items from the Michaels. And sometimes you can find the glue or other ingredients cheaper in the Dollar Tree. Alright, are you ready? Let's get started! So after you pick up the ingredients from Michael's, make sure you got some clear containers so when you make the slime, you can see through the cup and see what the color changes. Alright, so let's do it. Are you ready?
Yes.
Okay, are you ready to make some slime?
Let's get started.
Alright, so this is your cup. This is my cup. Alright, so the first thing we're gonna do is to put some water. Uh-oh.
Oh.
Here. First, we got some water in. It's clear, warm water. Is yours warm?
Yep.
You put too much water.
It's hot.
You put too much water, dummy. Okay. And then we're gonna put the glue. What color do you want to make?
Blue.
What color do I should? I thought you were gonna pick green. Okay, so this is the brand of the glue we picked up from Michael's. I think this one is about $4. And we also got the green glue from the Dollar Tree. Is Michael's brand gonna work better than the Dollar Tree brand?
We'll find out.
We'll find out. Okay, I'm gonna use. So I got those two from the Dollar Tree. I think I'm gonna try the yellow today. Put in the glue. Come on.
How much? I don't know how much to do. How much do you do?
I think you put too much water. That's the thing.
Well, how much water is supposed to have?
Less.
Okay. Like that much? Okay.
Do it on the camera.
I am doing on the camera right here.
Your hand is like blocking it.
This fine?
No, do it like this. Brendan,
What?
you can't see. Do it like this. Hold it like this so people can see it.
They can see right
They
here.
cannot.
They know what I'm doing. I'm dumping in glue. How much am I putting in?
Well, probably one and water. I don't know.
Now I put in like 15% of my bottle.
Okay.
Okay, that's good. Almost.
Okay, and use your spoon.
Stir it. Okay, stirred.
Okay, and the next thing we're gonna put in is the magical liquid. Just don't put too much at one time. Just put a little bit at one time. Okay, that's good. And
Okay,
stir it.
Okay. Now
Is
what?
it changing? Just keep stirring it
What's it supposed to do?
until it becomes like jelly-like.
What's jelly like? There we go. Mine worked.
You see yours?
Mine worked. What was it like that? It's like jelly. Don't touch it. There you go. Okay.
Is this one still like glue? Glue?
Don't waste my stuff. There you go. It's like jelly. Mine worked. Well, yours is more jelly. How much jelly you want?
You don't want it to be liquidy. You want
Well,
it
then
to
I need
be...
more jelly. Stop. Here, put more in.
Yeah, yours didn't work.
Because I didn't put enough stuff in. Because you said not to put a lot.
Maybe we put too much water?
No, now mine is jelly. Now mine is more jelly. There. Okay, got it.
Let me see yours.
You just have to put more jelly. That's all you gotta do. I'm just better at this than you. Don't touch it!
You're supposed to touch
I
it.
don't want you to touch it. Hands are dirty. Okay, mine worked. Now what?
No, it's not supposed to be sticky.
It's not sticky. Look, it goes right off the thing. Because it's like jelly. It probably has instructions. Of course it has instructions.
We'll put more. Okay, this one is probably good. Are you stirring yours? It's not supposed to be sticky at all.
Oh, well, it's because you didn't do it. We didn't do it right.
Why?
You're supposed to put almost an entire bottle of glue. You put an entire bottle of glue plus
No.
a quarter. It says 4 to 6 ounces. This is 5 ounces right here.
No.
And then a little of this. No, don't put more of this. This we already have too much of.
Put some more glue.
It says pour entire bottle of your choice of 4 to 6 ounces Elmer's glue in a container. Add a quarter cup of liquid, a little at a time, and mix in the glue until fully blended.
Right.
So you need to put way more glue. That's the problem. This is what happens when you don't read the instructions. Don't know how to do it.
I think mine was good. Mine is good. Look.
Mine's better.
You don't need that much.
It says this is you put the whole bottle. There, I use half the bottle. Okay, booyah!
I didn't put too much glue. It was going good until I put more glue.
Now I'm good. Booyah, I'm good now.
Touch it. Is it sticky?
Yeah.
Mine's good.
I can tell
Okay,
it's fine.
what glitter? How do you decorate it? How do you want to decorate
You
it?
just put stuff in there.
Okay, I'm gonna put pink glitter. Pink glitter. This is from Michael's. Okay, what are you gonna put in there? I put pink glitter.
There, I did it. Mine's crazy now. Mine's super good.
No, you put too much glue. I'm telling you.
That's not glue. That's sticky stuff.
No, it's not supposed to be sticky. I've done it.
Because the more that you put in there, the more like this it gets. More thick. Basically, it's like a thickening agent.
Right, you want it to be more thick than the one you have.
Then I gotta put more of this. It's crazy.
You were wrong. Mine was doing better. And then you made me put more glue.
I didn't do nothing.
You told me
I
to.
read the instructions.
Let me see yours.
Yeah, mine's crazy. See, I told you mine's good. I already did it. I'm done. You can put gold flakes because I'm the man. Let me do this. You just open it. And gold flakes. Booyah! Wow, look at that. Bam! Bam! Not sticky at all. Mine's done. I'm done.
Why is mine so liquidy?
Because you don't know how to do it right. Mine is crazy. Mine is crazy. Look at mine. Put it on your face. Put it on your face. What are you doing?
Like mine is good too.
Not crazy like mine though. Mine is just nuts.
Look.
What are you doing? You're supposed to let it play with my slime. Mine's crazy.
Oh, yours is really pretty.
Don't touch it.
You're supposed to play it. Okay.
I don't want to take it out. Stop.
You're supposed to take it out and play.
I don't want to take it out.
Look. Great though. I think it's a good color. Wow. Look. Look. It's not supposed to be sticky. Oh wow.
Don't touch it. You're messing it up. I put it back in the cup.
Okay, you can be this way a little bit. You're not in the camera.
You're messing up my stuff.
Come here. This way. This way. You're not in the camera.
When you're touching my stuff, you're not doing it good. It looks cool.
Come here.
Put it closer
Really
to the-
lower.
Okay, there it is. Boom, slime.
This is how you play it.
Okay, put it back in. Booyah! Here's my finished product. Here, boom, like that.
Mine is working. Finishing product. Let's play it. I think mine is better than yours.
Don't touch me.
You're supposed to play like this.
Do it however you want.
Let's do like this. Take a picture.
Meow.
You're not in it.
Right here. Meow.
No, you're not. It's not crazy. You have to make it bigger. Put all of them. Like, let me help you. Do it like this.
There we go.
Ooh. Wow.
Okay, put it back. Put
No, you can make bubbles with it. Let's take a picture. Make it big, make it big. How big can you make? Okay, question. Is slime a liquid or solid?
Neither.
No. Is slime a liquid or solid?
I don't know.
Is slime a liquid or solid?
Slime.
Like, yours is a failure.
Stop, don't touch
Mine is, see, like mine is good. You don't know how to play it. This is how you played it. Just go it fast, like this, like this. See, like do it fast. Question: is slime a liquid?
I already said it's slime. I don't know what it is.
It is non-Newtonian liquid.
Okay, whatever that is. Nobody knows what that means.
People know it.
Nobody knows what that is. Comment down below if you ever heard of that word.
It's a science experiment. Making slime is actually chemical reaction.
Sure, whatever you say. This looks weird. I don't like how it feels.
You don't like it?
No, I don't like how it feels.
Why? It's fun. Because yours is not as successful as mine. I think it's fun. You don't think it's fun?
No. I'd rather play with my Nintendo 64.
What is that?
A video game system, Nintendo 64.
Okay, which slime you like better, the blue one or the pink one? Which one do you think is more successful? What's the pink one?
Alright, comment down below. Booyah!
You're not in the pink. You're not in the pink one.
I got the wording. Booyah!
Ah.
Okay. And you'll...
The monkey chased the weasel. The monkey thought 'twas all